Hello everyone, so today we have a 2018 Toyota Camry. It's already on the ramps and with the wheel chucks on. Okay, so under the car we have this cover that we have to remove to access the oil pan and the oil filter. And I believe these are number 10 bolts, so 10 millimeter for these bolts. Okay, with the cover off, we have the drain plug right here, and over here we have the oil filter. So we're gonna take out the drain plug first. This is a 14 millimeter. So before starting, we're gonna open up the oil cap to let air in so that it flows nicely. And then we're gonna take already loosen up the drain plug, and we're gonna take it off with this tool that you can find on my link down below. Remember, I get a commission if you buy it through my link. I spilled a little bit, but that's okay. Wait for it to... There's a lot of wind, so it's kind of spilling. Okay, so now I've loosened up the oil filter. You don't have a lot of space to put this oil wrench, so I use that plier right there. But if you have oil filter pliers, then you should be fine. Remember, this is hand tight. And now you just loosen it up and drop it. There it is. Okay, so now we're gonna put the new oil filter. It already has grease on the ring, so either you can put some oil on it or not. I'm just gonna put some oil just so that it's well lubricated. Now you just put it, remember, just put it hand tight. You don't have to put it like very tight. Righty tighty. Once it meets, just do a 3/4 of a turn and you should be fine. There it is. So now set your torque range to 30 foot-pounds, and that's the torque spec for the drain plug, 30 foot-pounds. Okay, so we set it to spec. Now we're just gonna clean with brake cleaner. Clean your area, and we're ready to put in the new oil. Okay, so now we're gonna put the new oil in. This car takes about 4.8 quarts. We're gonna use this. Okay, so now we're gonna drop the car to get that right level. I already put like about 4.7 quarts in. Now my friend is gonna take it off. Okay, just remember to check for leaks. Have the car run for 2 minutes. Check your work, that everything is not leaking, tight enough. Then after you're done and you make sure that there's no leaks, then you just put your cover back. And that's pretty much it. Now we're just gonna reset the maintenance light and check the level of the oil again, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so now with the new oil in, with the right level and everything, you're gonna reset the maintenance light. So using your control right here, you're gonna go to the side and go to the little gear that you see right there. Then go to vehicle settings, then go to schedule maintenance, then push OK. It says right there push OK to reset, so just push OK, reset data, yes. And that's how you reset the maintenance.